Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back for a post-lunch session, the second webinar of the day with Avinash Jaising.
Hello, hello, hello.
This is going to be a very different one from what you've been seeing. You've been seeing a lot of interior design, architecture, product design, furniture. We thought we'll get somebody in the mix who's coming from graphic design, illustration, photography, quite a wide spectrum of work for an artist. Avinash, why don't you take it away and show us some of the work and your journey and the process behind it? Yeah, it's visible now. We can see the Spotify
Perfect.
graphics on the hands. Yeah.
Okay. Where's
So maybe you want to give some context first and
Of
then
course, of course. Yeah, of course I will do that. So I'll tell you what happened was basically now I got a call from Spotify agency, which is Leo Burnett. Okay, so the Leo Burnett people were like, "Okay, yaar, shoot hai, and we have some style in mind, and this is the brief, which is called. There's a playlist for that." And dude, hats off to the team in Leo Burnett and the client that they had a vision to create something of 60 images. Yeah, that means you have to have at least 30. No, you have to have at least 70 ideas cracked as copy. What you
then
want to execute, which is a big campaign. A
yeah,
lot of like, I don't think print gets so much attention now the way it used to, right?
yeah,
So the team was really good, and my whole experience was A plus plus. Okay. Now what happened was they sent us the headlines, and they said let's crack visuals with this. Now everybody was running against time.
all
The whole conversation started that I said, you know what, I can crack the visuals because I have been creative director with Ogilvy and I understand the space.
yeah,
So what we can do is, because budget is always a limitation, right? So now our director was thinking something. We were like, "Ye hoga, ye nahi hoga." Too many to and fro. So I was
yeah,
like, you know what? Why don't you all come to my office, my studio? Let's sit there, have beers, and jam.
mhm,
How often we do it in advertising? That's not the culture, yeah.
yeah,
Usually writers go one on one with directors. That happens. But
yeah,
bringing a whole team of fucking like 15 people together,
yeah,
it was mad. It was good experience, and everybody came together, beer per try, and we started with one line. Okay, 20 missed calls from mom. So I was like, okay, क्या करना है? So like you will have your ideas. Everybody has ideas. So we will say, अच्छा ये idea बहुत अच्छा है. And then a lot of thing depends on casting because it's a visual medium, right? So example, 20 missed calls from mom. So we were like a nerdy boy holding a phone and you're like, अरे माँ की phone कहाँ से आ गया? Like I missed so many calls. Mom, there's a terror. I was like, what if we put a contrast to it? And we put a heavy metal guy who listens to all the gothic stuff, who is pretty much who's pretty much there, you know. And even he shit in his pants when his mom has 40 missed calls.
yeah, yeah,
Like, and then there's a the line called the line was something like your boyfriend, you live in suburb, but your boyfriend lives in Colaba. Long distance relationship, right?
yeah,
So I was like, yeah, a friend, there's a guy from agency. I don't know who it was. He said, Kabutar kare kya? I was like, what a brilliant idea. So I realized as being a senior guy, your job is not to come up with the best solutions, but
yeah.
you listen to everybody also and turn their things around, seeing
Right.
it is a potential. In fact, you have to be more patient, you have to be more polite, you have to be more nicer as a human being, you know? So Aditya left or what? All right, we'll continue this, guys. So what happens then? We started doing the character
Yeah,
design
we
of it.
can see you.
Okay, cool. So I'll start with these things then.
Yeah.
When she loves you even after seeing your passport photo. I think that was one of my most favorite lines because end of the day सिर्फ तुम्हारी माँ प्यार करती है ब्रो अगर तुम ऐसे दिखते हो तो so and another way we didn't want to see we were very clear about gender roles and not looking down upon anybody because of the awareness we all have now, which we didn't have in the previous generation, or they were not even the topics of conversation. Now it is. So we were like, Esa, you have to create something which doesn't offend anybody, but still in a smart space.
Yeah, and good humor.
In
Yeah.
a good humor, yes. The client was really nice. The client understood. There were a lot of feedbacks and very logical ones, no ego games. So I think that was a very rare but very positive space to explore.
Yeah.
I think I think this was one of my favorite works, not because the way it turned out, but the way it was. Also, we didn't cast only actors or models. We casted people who were we thought were good with that certain emotion. I'll explain you once we go along.
Sure. Yeah.
Like this one, uh, like when you are the only one who mass bunked. So I was like, what to do, what to do, what to do, because your visual literacy is like that कि एक ही इंसान है shoot में, और you have to establish the thought process by the prop, because
Yeah.
you have to retain that visual language. So white background है या colored background है, उसके आगे एक इंसान है. So we had this actor here, and
Yeah.
then yeah, the whole point was, what if नारियल लेते हैं और straws हैं, मतलब कोल्ड ड्रिंक लेंगे तो उसमें मजा नहीं है ना. Desiness is in नारियल. So we thought we will all bunk and have नारियल together, but these other people are not there.
Yeah.
I know it was little late, but I think still it was still very close to home. Then this is another one of my favorites here. When your house help doesn't show up. So
Yeah.
now if you shoot anybody, now that gets into the whole tricky zone of how we in India say na, अरे यार ये बाई जैसा लग रहा है. We didn't want to touch that topic at all, very consciously.
Yeah.
So we were like, what if? Because when we clean our house, we don't know how to do it, right? Because Indians are very, end of the day, we are into this. Na made nahi aayi, buy nahi aayi. So we fuck it up and we break things. I was like, what if this is a dreadlock? So
Yeah.
so much fun. End of the day,
Yeah.
it's fun, and client and all, let us do it. Now this one, journey to the airport longer than the flight. This was for Bangalore.
Yeah.
Because Bangalore airport is so far,
Right.
2 hours. I was like, ठीक है, he's a music director. This guy is a music composer.
Okay.
We picked him up, and he's a pretty good looking guy. And we're like, यार तू एक काम कर, तू ना ऊन बना के स्वेटर बुन. Now स्वेटर कोई नहीं बुनता है अभी. ये दादी बुनती थी, because the thought process is दादी के पास इतना वेला टाइम है, वो कर सकती है.
Yeah.
So we picked up those cultural oriented stuff and pasted that together to give
Yeah.
it more relevant with the headline. That's why this was such a fun project, because we were दिखने में लगता है यार इसमें क्या है, but the thought process was really exciting. Like I can go back and like talk about, yeah, this one is it, dating a boy from the suburbs. This was hoarding in Kolaba,
Right. Long
the
distance.
letter in the pigeon. Like I think it was damn fun, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, like, yeah, we got these printed. Like, when the brands are love, but Linking Road is Bay. Like the first-hand T-shirts, like the Nakli brands, right?
Yeah.
So we
Perfect.
made it Upma for Puma, dude, and we were just laughing. Like, hum log. Now this see, one thing is that you created something, and it created a mark, and you had fun.
Yeah.
But this campaign got multiple awards all across India, all across a lot of platforms, be it marketing, be it outdoor, be it shortlisted in, I think it got shortlisted in one show also,
Okay.
the whole campaign. Yeah. So because it's so contextual, like when you're the girl from mechanical, now this was placed outside engineering college.
Yeah.
So relatable यार, मतलब एक ही लड़की होती है और 1200 लड़के होते हैं boys, and everybody wants their chance on it, which is not wrong. So we were like, what is a nice way of impressing a girl? Flowers. You're not like you're giving a flower, like you're not saying anything creepy, stupid. She
Yeah.
takes it, she doesn't take it, is her thing. So we were like, okay, let's play around this.
Yeah.
So this campaign, yeah, this is the one which is, so pictures were like this.
Nice.
Yeah, this is
Fantastic.
the one, 20 missed calls from mom.
Yeah, I remember this one.
Look
Yeah.
at yeah, and he's a drummer in a metal band. He's not an
Yeah.
actor. He's a friend.
Hmm.
But I knew that his expression he can do justice to. So we
Sure.
explored the boxes which are not conventional. Like we
Mm.
didn't call up casting director saying yaar cast chahiye.
Yeah, yeah.
I personally know at least 80% of the cast I've used
Wow.
because
Okay.
I knew that these guys will perform in this zone. These
Yeah.
guys work really like this guy, bro. He's such a terrific actor. Oh my god! Like oh my god, this emotion we were feeling with at least 20 people. The
Okay.
whole line was a chatty cab driver. So the excitement of आप नए नए किसी से मिले हो, it has to come without saying a word. He killed it, yeah. In one expression, you know what it is. So this experience was
Oh,
brilliant.
that's the one, right? Shadow Capra. Nice. Yeah.
Like, अरे भाई साहब आप आ गए, अरे भाई साहब.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
You know what? It was real, and I was very happy because the way I have seen advertising, it's going in a different way. So I was extremely happy doing this part of this campaign. People are great. My Spotify, what do you call it? My relation with Spotify became really strong after this.
Yeah.
Uh, because yeah, the confidence के बाद ही काम आता है आप. And you know what? I'll tell you what. All these work are just 10% of work which turns into success. 90% is failures and rejection, which
That's the
nobody
thing,
sees.
right? Yeah,
People
yeah,
people call me and say, Avinash, yaar, you know what? You're lucky कि तेरा काम छप रहा है, and
exactly.
you're coming on hoardings and your work is getting appreciated. I think it's absolute. I think it's absolute stupid to think like that because I don't present like
Hmm.
I'll tell you here with when you present a concept, when you present a film, when you direct stuff, when you have a thought and vision, it doesn't always resonate with the creative team and the clients.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean it's wrong or you are talentless. That means you are not experienced enough or smart enough to gauge the wavelength and offer something in that zone,
Yeah.
which
There's
comes by
many other
experience.
factors at play. Yeah, which aren't in your control.
Which
Yeah.
comes by experience also. No? When you learn, do more, you understand more. It's just
Yeah.
that आज की डेट पे अगर आपका काम बॉम हो रहा है तो 10 काम और करो, एक निकलेगा ना, इनफ है. Think
Yeah.
about it like this: if somebody is asked you, do you want to pitch, consider that as an opportunity because you're getting to show your work out to people.
Yeah. So we already took a few questions, but Avinash, there's just a few comments. I'll read them out. So Parna is saying that this talk should actually initiate a whole series of discussions where design education begins. And
Wow.
breaking conditioning, what we spoke about earlier, right?
Hmm. True.
Thank you so much for doing this session very differently. And
Thanks.
Rashmi, Rashmi says that she's actually in the process of changing her expertise because she wasn't happy with an execution, and she's feeling empowered to do so after hearing you. So it's amazing.
I'm really hope this works out really well for you because you know what, if you're putting in efforts, it's just nice when the results come sooner than later because results do come. And good luck, lots of luck to you, and more power to you here.
If anyone has any more questions, please put them down. But I think,
And you can DM it to Avinash also. Avinash has 2 Instagram pages.
Hmm.
yeah, but
Yeah.
he's
I
also,
don't know. I don't know. I'm learning Instagram
yeah,
because yeah, clients used to call me and said illustration kahan hai? And I was like used to send them my avinash.j.singh ka page.
yeah.
Okay, and they were like, yeah, there's a lot of photography, design, illustrations, and film mix up. So I had to make another page for just my illustrations.
Remember that day we spoke about it, and I told
Yeah,
you actually just make a separate one, man.
and yeah, it's nice. Like people appreciate it now. So
Yeah.
yeah, cool.
Great.
I think.
Thank you so much.
Sorry,
Thank you so much for doing this, Avinash.
my pleasure. Really, I had a good time. And sorry
Thank
for my voice. Yeah, it's little gone because PPM after PPM for last 1 week. So.
Okay. Thank you, Aditya. Thank you for hosting. Guys, we're starting the next session in 5 minutes, so stay tuned. It's about this decor firm called Studio Trataka. So I'm going to talk to the founder in a bit. Bye.